I'm back. Thanos hasn't caught me yet, but shh. The agents of Thanos are after me. They've been trying to stop me in every way. So let's see if I can find this geocache and be on our way before the agents of Thanos catch up with me. Or Thanos himself. Alright, so we're out of here. Let's go. Thanos can't stop me yet. Found another cache, making my way to Neptune in this very populated planet. Anyway, I'm gonna sign this cache and move on to the next moon. Did I say planet before? I meant moon. Anyway, Neptune, I'm coming for you. Hopefully Thanos can't catch me. Okay, so I'm at my next location. Geocache is over by that leaning tree over there. I gotta go over and sign it, but I'm in a high alien area. And I think some of Thanos' agents are out and about in this area, so I gotta sneak over and see if I can grab that. So I'm gonna sneak over and grab that geocache. Oh, hey, by the way, I went to the doctor and had him take a look at my ankle. All's good. Just bruised it real bad. So, alright, I'm gonna go find that geocache. This cache is gonna take some power. I'm about to use the power stone of my infinity gauntlet to find the cache over here. Let's go see if I can track this cache down with the power stone. And the power stone worked because here's the geocache. I'm gonna log this down. I gotta get out of here. Still think Thanos is on my trail, or his dark clan, or whoever they are called. What stone should I use for this geocache? That's right, the soul stone. Wanna know why? Look at the beauty of this find. This is a beautiful cache. So creative, so tucked away, and so hidden. I don't think Thanos or any of his minions would be able to find this cache. But let's get this log signed and get moving on. Oh, and you know what? I think after this cache here, I'm getting closer to Neptune, if I'm not already there. Sweet. Alright, I'm at my last cache for the day. I'm gonna go out and grab this cache. I'll be right back. And I'm back with cache in hand. And this is the last one for the day. This may have got me to Neptune, the planet Neptune, but I don't know. So, the thing is, if it did, sweet. If it didn't, hey, that means another Neptune video. And Thanos hasn't caught me yet. No, he did not. No, he did not. And I used some new stones today, too. But anyway, hey, I'm going to sign this log. I'm going to get home, call it a day. Oh, man, weekend's not over. This planetary pursuit's not over yet. So make sure, subscribe, see what happens next. Like this video, and I will see you out on the planets in our planetary pursuit. Seeing if I can pull this off. Whew, I sure hope so. See you later.